Meaning of gearhead.
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 Gearhead. The term gearhead is colloquially used to describe someone who is deeply interested in automobiles, motorcycles, and other vehicles. A gearhead may have a passion for customizing, restoring, or simply experiencing the thrill of driving these machines. They often possess extensive knowledge of automotive technology and mechanics. Being a gearhead is not just a hobby, but a lifestyle that permeates every aspect of their lives. It is a community of enthusiasts who share a common love and appreciation for vehicles. Whether working on their own car or attending car shows, gearheads are devoted to the world of automobiles.